Change heading color in Word document. When you select the heading and then click on the heading 1, the font color and the font size changes. To fix this problem, right click on the heading tab, click on modify, and here you will see the option of color. So just select the black color. For example, you will see the preview. You can make it bold if you want to, and then select the font size as well according to your need, and the font to Times Roman if you want it. Usually Times Roman is used, and then click on OK. Now when you click on the heading 1, as you can see, the color hasn't changed, and now you can just select this second heading and then click on the heading option to apply the same formatting. Click on that like button, comment below, and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.